Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Mouseflow account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add a website into your Mouseflow account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add one of your websites to your Mouseflow account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know it's important to track analytics and user behavior, and Mouseflow is a popular way to do that. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Mouseflow account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there. But I've already logged into my Mouseflow dashboard, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and add a new website, first what you're going to do is click right here on My Websites. Once you do that, you'll see a drop-down menu, and you want to click here, Manage My Websites. Once you do that, you'll see all the sites you have set up on Mouseflow, but you want to click on this right here, Add New Website. Once you do that, you're going to go ahead and add the domain, and then click the website type. So this is going to be consumer goods, and let me go ahead and just grab one of my URL. Okay, so here is the domain. You want to type it out like this, www.domain.com, or whatever the domain type is. So without this HTTPS. Okay, so once you've entered that in, go ahead and click on. Okay, so once you've added the website right here, you're going to need to install. So click here on Install Now. Okay, so you can choose how you want to install it. So you can use your Google Tag Manager. If you're working with WordPress like me, you can use this. So for today, I'm going to go ahead and install on one of my WordPress websites. So I'm going to click here, WordPress. Okay, so here's the code you're going to need right here. So you're going to click here, copy to clipboard. Okay, now all of that code is copied to your clipboard. So now we're done here. So the rest of it's going to be handled here in your WordPress dashboard. Okay, so here I am on my WordPress dashboard. So we're going to go here to plugins, and then we're going to click here, add plugin. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and search plugins and just type in Mouseflow. Okay, so this is the plugin we're looking for, Mouseflow for WordPress, and I'm going to install right here. Okay, now it's installed. I'm going to activate it. Okay, now Mouseflow is installed in my WordPress website. So what we're going to do is here on the left menu, we're going to click on Mouseflow, and then next we're going to click here on tracking code. Okay, once you're here, you're going to go ahead and scroll down, and then here is where we're going to go ahead and enter that code that we copied from Mouseflow. So we're just going to go ahead and paste it right in, and then we're going to click on Save Changes. Okay, next you should see this tracking code installed. Okay, so now we can go back here to Mouseflow, and I'm going to click here on Next. Okay, and I'm going to close. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and refresh my Mouseflow up here. Okay, so once you refresh, you should see this right here, code installed. If you're not seeing code installed for whatever reason, go to your website and visit any page that the code is added into. After that, come back here to Mouseflow and refresh, and you should see that the code is installed. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to add a new website into your Mouseflow account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.